Hi guys, welcome back to another Scooby's Dooby Go. This is gonna be a normal day, just cringe. Yeah, I guess. I might, if you are new to the channel, probably won't be because this is a channel of 3 subscribers anyway. Can you please tell your friends to subscribe, because I need money and fast, because I have a personal one. Yes, I'll do some more Fortnite videos, and eventually I'll have my friends online, maybe, I don't know. That's because I'm getting a friend that's getting the games that I have. Anyway. Yeah, so I'm just in a skirmish now, because I'm... Oh yeah, and eventually I'll do an Overwatch loot box opening video, because I have enough money that I've saved up. I suck at this game. Yeah, so please leave a like or subscribe. Just tell your friends, because I'm a loner. I need help. I don't have anyone. Look at this sad face. You want to help it out? Then subscribe and tell your friends. Try me, bitch. Oh.
My ultimate is charging.
No, wrong one. Damn it! She's triggered. Fortnite. Yeah, I just got back from Bali. It's Bali's a really nice place. If you're planning to go on it, I got some. Yeah, it's a beautiful place. Yeah, I was there for like how much was it? Like a week and 3 days. I think, can't remember. But I just got off the airplane today. And right now, playing some Overwatch because I'm a loner and I need friends. And I've been wondering, how much subscribers do you need to, How much subscribers do you need to get paid? That's my one question. Just comment it in the description, not description, in the comment section, whatever you call it. And I'll give you now what I was going to do in the videos. I'm going to give you all the info about, like, because if you've been looking at the video lately, then can you, I've been like, my name's been like just changing because I've been wondering what name to get, and I finally figured out. Scooby is Dooby. Oh, headshot. Oh, I mean, I'm not done by a baby diva. That shit, cause I am. Anyway, yeah, and since.
No one can hide.
And yeah, just my info is just, I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna be doing some Overwatch videos, Fortnite videos. This is my first proper, not cringy video. You guys suck. Not you guys, you subscribe. That's all you do. Just, yeah. I'll be the goal. just subscribe. I mean, like, that's the only thing I'm useful for. Chicken, chicken. If I get this in, you have to subscribe. I mean, you have to subscribe anyway, so.
Round one. Capture the objective.
Yeah, I have enough money. I'm saving up for the Sentia skin because I'm a clear Genji main. Yeah, I have 1,700 money, and I'm gonna get my first golden gun as Genji! How are you not dead? Die, motherfucker. Thank you! Jeez, it wasn't that hard. Yeah, I need healing now. And if it gets a bit loud, yeah. I don't know why. And this video might be laggy, I don't know, not 100% sure. Oh! May's not the only toxic person on their team. Yeah, so I think my next video might be Fortnite. I'm not 100% sure. Just a minute. Hold on, I gotta get some of this action in here. Okay, I'm gonna die. I don't wanna die. Yeah, no one wants to die.
I am repaired.
Oh. Wait, do they have a tool now? Oh shit. Oh! No. How did I get that kill on Moira though? I'm just amazed by that. And eventually in the comment, can you leave a good editing website? Because I don't know if this video is going to be edited or not. Because I don't know if I have the time. I don't know if I can find an editing thing. Anyway. Get the job done. I clicked E instead of W. Because I'm a cringy bitch. Yeah, and just don't forget to. Oh yeah, and there's this YouTuber. He's my favorite. If you've ever heard of him, just search up Rifty is 50. He's a funny guy. Yeah. Come out. No, it's on time. Damn it! I suck. Junkrat! Oh, cringy little bitch. I thought I had the beach red on. Guess not. Come on, team. You're being crap on me right now. Just please do shit.
That's a fine. How do you do?
Shit. It's in a way. Yeah. You just subscribe. I don't know how much times I have to say it to get someone to like me. and I killed the Orisa because I'm a legend.
Best round.
Hey. Should I get it on there? Oh! Yeah, my other Overwatch video and my other videos are just, I know they're cringy. I was younger then. I'm 2 years older now, because I just need money, and I realized, why didn't I go on YouTube and eventually I can get enough subscribers and get money for free.
Capture.
I'm off. This is not gonna work. This is not gonna work.
I'll capture this objective with help, my lord.
May's toxic as shit.
Go, the point is mine. You're welcome to join me.
Shoot. This is like my 3rd time playing Lucio on computer, so don't judge. I'm gonna retard now. Oh, you little. Boop him all off. Boop him all.
Oh, now to accelerate.
I will protect the innocent.
Screw Lucio. Oh, come on.
Get back.
I'm amazing. I'm amazing.
Clear the area. Get back. Thank you.
Yes, I'm a legend. I might not be able to finish this game, I don't know. When I get a boop ball, hopefully I get enough.
Back in.
Oh yeah, so I only have a minute left. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Just do it, cause it's good for the Scooby is Doobie fan. Oh, who's shooting me?
Clear the area.
I stole my wrist! Sus! Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Just please subscribe, comment, and tell your friends about me. And yep, see you guys again eventually.
Back online.
Bye. Well, I'll wait 30 seconds because I don't know how to stop this thing. So.
It's,